Ever gone on a hike and thought, "I've got enough clothes"? You wouldn't be alone. Many assume a spare jacket is enough, or that a day hike won't require extra gear. But nature can surprise you. People often face cold nights, wet conditions, or even getting lost. Suddenly, their clothes aren't prepared for it. Here's the key: insulation matters most. If you find yourself in a tight spot, use what's around you for extra warmth and protection. For example, stuff your jacket or pants with dry leaves or soft plant fibers to trap heat. If you have a t-shirt, wear it as a hat since a lot of heat escapes through your head. You could even weave a vest from cattail leaves to block wind, or make mittens from plant down. Simple items like garbage bags can become raincoats or snow pants in an emergency. In desert areas, large leaves can be strung as sun protection to cover sensitive skin. Before thinking about hunting or complex gear, get creative with what you have around you. Knowing these tricks can keep you warm, dry, and safe in outdoor emergencies. Being prepared doesn't just mean packing gear. It means also knowing how to use the environment. Use the environment to your advantage. It can make all the difference in staying safe outdoors. Please like and subscribe to gpslim.com. Thanks for watching.